Okay, at this point in time, we will now try to focus our attention on Google Docs. Google Docs, I did not upload it on your Google Classroom because you can easily download it on the Google Play Store. I'll demonstrate to you how to download, install, and then how to use it. 90% it is similar to Microsoft Word. If you know already MS Word, Microsoft Word, it will be easier for you using my Google Docs. You just need to familiarize yourself on the buttons, on what you will click or what you will tap. So let's install it. Go to Google Play Store and then search Google Docs. And then, of course, you click install. Just wait for it. It will download. But this is mabilis lang naman to. This is not a huge file. This is not a big file. Only 26.55 MB. It is now installing. Tapos na siya mag-download. Now it's through. So let's try to open it. Pero I will not open it. Let's see from the main desktop view. Let's try to find it there. Docs. That is the icon of Google Docs. So right on the go and share and edit together. Automatically save to the web. Na usually sa Google Drive yung nakasave kung nakalagin kayo sa Gmail account. So this is usually yung itsura niya. What you will see lahat ng documents na na-access mo, pati yung mga nakastored sa personal Google Drive mo. So let's try to make a new document. You just click this plus sign, tap it, and then choose template or new document. Yung template, meron na nakagawang Google Docs. Ano ba? Gagawa kang minutes or notes or kung ano man, invitations. Like kanina sa Microsoft Word, may format na, may layout na, papalitan mo na lang ng detalye. Pero usually, we will choose new document. New document. Now, your doc is in dark mode. Automatically adjust your content to fit the dark theme. Let us this let's switch it to light mode. Yeah. Now, again, this is the undo redo file. The undo button, redo button. So, this one, when you tap it, ayan, kamukha lang nung sa Microsoft Word. Kapag mag-edit ka sa text, this one, bold, italicize, underline, exponential form, superscript, subscript, kung naman you pull it down style, font, dyan mo makikita, papalitan ng font size, color ng font, kung i-highlight mo, the same din kanina. So, this is at the text. Kung naman sa paragraph, ito, left aligned, center, right aligned, justified. Kung numbering, kung bullets, kung line spacing, yung space after ng bawat line, gaano ba kadami. So, let's try to type. Let's say, this is, sorry, my reflection. The lesson is about modals. Say you want to maximize, zoom out. You know how to do this. Now, same. You want to edit it. Let's edit the font color. long tap press, and then you will see these two, it's like two pads. I-drag mo lang yan kung hanggang saan yung gusto mong i-select. Kasi hanggang doon lang. The first sentence, we want to bold it. Let's bold it. Then, let us change the color. Let's change it to color blue. And then, let's try to deselect. So, napalitan na siya ng kulay. The next one, let's now edit it. Drag. Then, let's italicize it. And let's try also to underline it. Italicize, underline. So it's similar. Let's add another sentence, no? Let's also try, like what we did kanina sa Microsoft Word. Here is the list. Then colon. Then enter. Let's add bullet. Nouns. Verbs. Now, if you do not want bullet, you want numbers. Let's say, kanina hindi ko ma-access kasi andito tong keypad. Dito ka pupunta dun sa may. Ayan. Simply. You can simply change it, swipe it. And then, let's say, number naman ngayon. So, I will click this one. I will tap this one. So, type again. Tap the pad and then nouns. Verbs. Now, let's say you want to change the font. How will you do it again? Let's say, let's change the font of this part. Here is the list. You go to this one, this A. Diyan ka po, ano. Then, dito. Ayun, no. Font, Arial. Let's do Comic Sans MS. Back. And then, font color. Let's see. The size. This one. Tap mo lang yan if you gusto mong malaki. Or maliit. Highlighting color, hindi naman, rarely used lang yan kamukha kanina. You want it to become yellow. So that's how you do it. So kamukha lang siya kanina ng MS Word. Now, comments, gamitin ito for online, but I will not discuss it for now. No? This plus sign here, you use it kung mag-insert ka ng link kasi nga Google Online ito, image, table, etc. Now, let's try to insert table. So, you type ilang rows, ilang columns. Let's say 2 by 3 lang. 2 columns. So, select mo yun. 2. Press na. 2 columns and then rows. 3. Then, once it's okay, insert. Let's try to so now you have your table. And then let's try to hindi na nga lang siya. So, yan. This is the first column, second column. So, if you want to see that, Type pa lang, let's say, name. Then, dito, second column, section. This one, kung nakikita nyo ito parang may 3 lines na yan. Diyan kayo magta-tap para lumiit. Yes, and then swipe ng konti. Same naman dito. Dito naman, doon sa may 3 lines, you want to, gusto nyo lakihan yung cell o hindi. Again, dito, ayun yung 3 lines. Gusto nyo, then let's readjust. Doon na naman sa may 3 lines. Doon ninyo dito. So there is now that is now your table. What if you want to insert an image? Go to this, sa may plus sign. Then select image. Let's say nakasave na sa phone mo from photos. Pero pwede sa web, kamukha kanina magsasearch. At what happened? Wait a minute. Image from photos. Say you want to select this one, the class. Okay. Now na nakapag-select na kayo ng picture, say how will you edit the picture? Paano mo siya i-move? Paano mo siya lalakihan? Paano mo siya liliitan? So just tap the picture. Then tap it. You can click this pen. Parang pen na to. Tap. And then lilitaw ito. Choose this third icon. Text wrap. Anong ibig sabihin ng text wrap? Pag inline with text yan, may, usually, nakatungtong siya kung paano kasabay, kung paano ilaki ng fonts. Mahirap i-move yung image kapag naka-inline with text. So, I suggest you choose wrap text. And then, so, kapag naka-wrap text na yan, it's so easy for you na edit. Look at this. Dahil naka-wrap text na siya, I'll just tap the picture again, and then nag-blue siya. So, I'll just tap on these boxes. Let's say I want to resize it. It siya. Lalaki. I want to move the position. So, that's how you just do it. This first one, balik ko ha. Ito, border yan. Let's say you want to change the border. Gawin mo, let's make it pink. So, you can see, no? Nagkaroon ng border na pink yung image. So, you can see, ayan, may border na siya pink. The last thing that I will show to you is para mag-copy-paste. Actually, the same process lang din. Let's say, go to web. Open tayo ng Chrome. Then, let's type. Let's just find an article. There. School. So let's find a text that we can copy. Let's choose the first one. Say you want to copy paste this, the small type, and then drag the 2 parts, the 2 icons to where you want it to copy paste. Just drag. Then just select copy. Then let's go back to Google Docs. Then gently tap lang, gently parang long press. And then, lilitaw yan and then select paste. So, ayan na. Copy paste. let's say you are already through with your output. You want to save it now. Go to those three dots. Click ko. And to save it now, go to this one, three dots. So you have options here. Let's say print layout. You want to see how it is in print layout. Take a look at natin. So, kamukha lang nung kanina. Parang ito yung print layout view. Kanina kasi, yun ang mobile view. So, let's say kung itong bond paper, this space na yan, yan ang parang buong document mo. So, meron ka pang space. Let's go back again. This one is important, page setup. Let's tap that. Anong orientation? Portrait ba? Patayo? Ang isa pang ano niya, kung landscape, pahiga. Pero let's just choose portrait. Balik tayo ulit. Then, page setup. Aside sa orientation, what's the size of the paper? Dito kayo mamimili. Letter is short band paper. And legal, usually, it's long band paper. Yun nga lang sa Philippines, ang legal, hindi siya 14 inches hanggang 13 inches lang. So, for the sake short band paper na naman, let's just choose letter. And then, return back. Then, return. So, ayan. So, kung ito yung ayan ang itsura niya kung ano mo piprints. Let us say, tapos ka na, you're already contented with your output. Si-save mo na, ready to submit na. What you will do now, click mo tong checks. Yan. So, kung may i-edit ka pa ulit, click mo lang itong parang pen sa baba. Pero kung tapos ka na, so bumalik sa mobile view para mas malaki. Then, review lang, punta ka doon sa may 3 dots to see paano siya sa print layout. So, liitan lang natin. Yan. Say you're already contented with this one. Click mo yung check. Now, look at this. Ito yung kanyang file name, default file name. So, kung gusto mong palitan yan, click mo lang yan. What's the name of the document? Let's say my final reflection. You're okay with that? Click OK. So, that's already been saved. Usually, makikita mo yan, nandid yan sa iyo. There is it. Kasama yan. Now, you can see may 3 dots again. May 3 dots. Let's see. So, you have an option kasi kung online mo ginawa ito, nakasave ito sa yung Google Drive. Pero kung ano gusto mong gumawa ng kopya, ida-download mo, you just click this one, download. So, mada-download ngayon siya sa phone mo para kahit walang internet, may a-access mo siya. And then, send a copy kung ipapadala mo. This one now, since Google Doc, pwede mo siyang i-convert. By default kasi ang file nito, naka-Google Doc siya. Pero kung gusto mong i-open sa Microsoft Word, i-save mo lang siya as Word Docs. Ang .docs file kasi ay pang MS Word. Create doc files often. Kung gusto mong ano yan, para parating .docs. Pero nasa niya, pero ako, I don't recommend it. Pero it's up to you. Maybe later. Balikan natin. Then, let's also go back to the kung naman gusto mo siyang i-save as Google Docs, baliktad naman from Docs, kung siyang Google Docs, etc. etc. No? So, let's say you're already true. Tingnan nyo ito .docx, naging dalawa. Ito ngayon, pang MS Word. Ito, so nakikita nyo, W. Word document file yan. Kung i-open nyo sa gamit yung software or yung app na Microsoft Word, ma-open yan. Ito kasi, Google Docs file. Kanya, makikita nyo naman yung tatlong icon. Iba yung kanilang icon. Now, so you are true. You are ready